ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय। ओम नमो भगवते वासुदेवाय. We'll read from chapter 5 of Sri Bhajan Rahasya. Mukham karoti vachalam pangum rangayate girim yat kripatamam bande Shri Gurum Deen Tarinam Paramananda Madhavam Shri Chaitanya Ishwaram Hari Om Tat Sat. Pancham Yam Sadhan, Bhajan in the afternoon, Krishna Sakti, attachment to Krishna. The characteristics of one who chants the holy name and his prayer as the eternal servant of Krishna are given in the Shikshashtak. Ainanda Tanuja Kinkaram Patitam Mam Vishame Bhavam Budhau Kripaya Tavpad Pankaja Stitadhuli Sadrisham Vichintaya. O my Lord, O Krishna, son of Maharaj Nanda, I am your eternal servant, but because of my own fruitive acts, I have fallen in this horrible ocean of nations. Now please be causelessly merciful to me. Consider me a particle of dust at your lotus feet. I am your eternal servant, but I forgot your lordship. Now I have fallen in the ocean of nations and have been conditioned by the external energy. Be causelessly merciful to me by giving me a place in the particles of dust at your lotus feet, so that I may engage in the service of your lordship as your eternal servant. The stage of bhav is gradually attained by the mercy of Krishna and regular chanting of the holy names without offences. In the Srimad Bhagavatam 1.2.17 to 19 it is said, Shrinvatam Svakatha Krishna Punya Shravana Kirtanah Hridye Antahastho Hye Abhadrani Vidhunoti Surit Satam. नष्ट प्रयाश्व अभिद्रेषु नित्यं भागवत सेवया भगवती उत्तम श्लोके भक्तिर्भवति नैष्टिकी तदा रजस्तमो भावाः काम लोभादयश्चये चेत एतेर अनाविद्धं स्थितं सत्वे प्रसीदति. Shri Krishna, the personality of Godhead, who is the Paramatma, supersoul in everyone's heart, and the benefactor of the truthful devotee, cleanses desire for material enjoyment from the heart of the devotee who has developed the urge to hear his messages, which are in themselves virtuous when properly heard and chanted. By regular attendance in the classes on Bhagavatam and by rendering service to the pure devotee, all that is troublesome to the heart is almost completely destroyed, and loving service unto the personality of Godhead, who is praised with transcendental songs, is established as an irrevocable fact. As soon as irrevocable loving service is established in the heart, the effects of nature's modes of passion and ignorance, such as lust, desire, and hankering, disappear from the heart. Then the devotee is established in goodness and he becomes completely happy. Such a devotee prays for Krishna's mercy as stated in the Srimad Bhagavatam 10.14.8. Tatte anukampam susamikshamano bhunjan evatma kritam vipakam ridvag vapurbhir vidyadhan namaste jivet yo mukti pade sadaya bhak. My dear Lord, one who earnestly waits for you to bestow your causeless mercy upon him, all the while patiently suffering the reactions of his past misdeeds and offering you respectful obeisances with his heart, words, and body, is surely eligible for liberation, for it has become his rightful claim. One who is situated in this condition attains supreme spiritual peace as confirmed in the Srimad Bhagavatam 11.2.43. Iti achyutangrim bhajato navritya bhaktir viraktir bhagavat prabodhah bhavanti vai bhagavatasya rajamas tatah param shantim upayati sakshat. My dear King, the devotee who worships the lotus feet of the infallible personality of Godhead with constant endeavor thus achieves unflinching devotion, detachment, and experienced knowledge of the personality of Godhead. In this way, the successful devotee of the Lord achieves supreme spiritual peace in the form of prema. The 9 types of bhakti are listed in the Srimad Bhagavatam 7.5.23 to 224. Shravanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Pada Sevanam Archanam Vandanam Dasyam Sakhyam Atmanivedanam Iti Pumsarpita Vishnau Bhaktish Chain Nava Lakshana Kriyet Bhagavati Adha Tan Manye Dhitam Uttamam. Prahlad Maharaj said, hearing and chanting about the transcendental holy name, form, qualities, paraphernalia, and the pastimes of Lord Vishnu, remembering them, serving the lotus feet of the Lord, offering the Lord respectful worship with 16 types of paraphernalia, offering praise to the Lord, becoming his servant, considering the Lord one's best friend, and surrendering everything unto him. In other words, serving him with the body, mind, and words. These 9 processes are accepted as pure devotional service. One who has dedicated his life to the service of Krishna through these 9 methods should be understood to be most learned person, for he has acquired complete knowledge. As the stage of bhav arises, attachment for Krishna is service is spontaneous. The following prayer of Vritrasur is given in Srimad Bhagavatam 6.11.24. Aham hare tav padek mula dasanudaso bhavitasmi bhuya manah smaretasu pater gunamste granit vak karma karotu kaya. O my Lord, O Supreme Personality of Godhead, will I again be able to serve your eternal servants who find shelter only at your lotus feet, O Lord of my life? May I again become their servant so that my mind may always think of your transcendental attributes, my words always glorify those attributes, and my body always engage in the loving service of your Lordship. The living entity is the enjoyed and Krishna is the enjoyer. Therefore, by regularly discharging devotional service, the hope for achieving the service of the ever blissful Sri Radha gradually increases. At the time one's feeling of serving in the mood of the gopis manifest. The mood of the gopis is described in the Srimad Bhagavatam 10.29.38. Tannaha prasiddha vrijinardana te nagri moolam prapta visrijya vasatis tvad upasanashaha shaha tvad sundara smita nirikshana tivra kama taptamanam nam purusha bhushan dehi dasyam. Therefore, O vanquisher of all distress, please show us mercy to approach your lotus feet. We abandon our families and homes, and we have no other desire other than to serve you. Our hearts are burning with intense desires generated by your beautiful smiling glances. O jewel among men, please make us your maidservants. The Srimad Bhagavatam 10.29.39 tells us how to take shelter of the perfect mood of the gopis. Vikshalav kavrita mukham Tav Kundala Shri Ganda Sthaladhara Sudham Hasitavalokam Datta Bhayan Cha Bhuja Danda Yugam Vilokya Vakshah Shriyaika Ramanam Cha Bhavam Dasyah. Seeing your face encircled by curling locks of hair, your cheeks beautified by earrings, your lips full of nectar, your smiling glance, your 2 imposing arms which take away our fear, and your chest which is the only source of pleasure for the goddess of fortune, we must become your maidservants. The superiority of Parakiya Bhav in this stage is described in the Srimad Bhagavatam 10.29.33. Kurvanti hi tvai ratim kushalaha swaatman नित्य प्रिये पति सुतादिभिर आरती दय किम तन्नः प्रसिदा परमेश्वर मास्म चिंद्या आशाम धृताम त्वयि चिराद अरविंद नेत्र. Expert and transcendentalists always direct their affection toward you because they recognize you as their true self and eternal beloved. What use do we have for these husbands, children, and relatives of ours who simply give us trouble? Therefore, Supreme Controller, grant us your mercy. O Lotus-eyed One, please do not cut down our long-cherished hope to have your association. The necessity for taking shelter of the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani is described in the Sri Swasankalpa Prakash Stotra of Sri Stvavali in these words: Anaradhya Radha Padambhoj Renu Anasritya Vrindat Avim Tat Padankam असंभाष्य तद्भाव गंभीर चित्तान कुतः श्याम सिंधो रस्यावगाहः. How is it possible to immerse oneself in the ocean of Shyamarasa, love for Krishna or Madhurya Ras, without worshipping the dust of the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani, without taking shelter of Vrindavan, which is decorated with her footprints, or without serving her devotees, whose grave hearts are always absorbed in love for her? The pride of Radha's maidservant is described in the following words: Abhimanam parityajya prakrit vapur adishu Shri Krishna kripaya gopi dehe vraje vasamye aham radhikanochari bhutva parakiya rase sada Radha Krishna Vilaseshu Paricharyam Karomi Aham. After giving up the pride of falsely identifying the material body with self by the mercy of Krishna, I reside in Braja as a gopi, as Radharani's maidservant. I always take pleasure in serving Radha and Krishna in their parakiya pastimes, giving up all other engagements for the service of the lotus feet of Srimati Radharani is described in the Radha Ras Sudha Nidhi. Durad apasya swajanan sukham artha kotim sarveshu sadhan vareshu chiram nirashah prashantam ev sahajabhuta saukya dhararam shiradhika charan renum aham bhajami. Abandoning attachment for family and friends, material pleasures, wealth, and all other spiritual paths, finding them distasteful, I take on my head and worship the dust of lotus feet of Shri Radhika, which is a shower of wonderful transcendental bliss. A prayer to achieve the service of Radharani within the kunjas of Vrindavan is given in the Radha Ras Sudhanidhi. Ashasya dasyam vrishabhanu jayas तीरे समधायस्य च भानुजायाः कदानु वृंदावन कुंज विथिष्व अहम नु राधे हे अतिथिर भवेयम. O Radha, O Vishbhanunandini, when by your mercy will I stay on the banks of the Yamuna and wander on the paths within the groves of Vrindavan, as I engage in your service as a maidservant? In the Radha Ras Sudhanidhi, there is the following prayer to be always engaged in seeking Krishna by the performance of Sankirtan in the mood of Radha Dasya. As a maidservant, Dhyantam Shikhi Picha Mauli Manisham Tannam Samkirtayan Nityam Tach Charanambujam Paricharan Tan Mantra Varayam Japan Shri Radha Padasyam Eva Parama Bhishtam Rida Dharayan Karhi Syam Tad Anugrahena Paramadbhutta Nuragotsavaha. By always remembering Krishna, who wears a peacock feather in his mukut, by performing Sankirtan and engaging in the service of his lotus feet, by chanting the best of the mantras, and by remembering the most cherished service of the lotus feet of Radha within my heart, when will I relish the most amazing festival of attachment to Radha? A prayer for attaining the service of Srimati Radharani, birth after birth, is given in the Radha Ras Sudhanidhi. Tasya apara rasa sar vilas murter anand kand paramadbhuta saukya lakshmaya brahmadi dullabh gatir vrishabhanu jaya कैंकर्यम एव मम जन्मनि जन्मनि स्यात्. May I attain the service of Rishabhanu Nandini birth after birth. She is the personification of the essence of the transcendental mellows of divine sports, with the form of the most wonderful transcendental bliss. She is the supreme goddess of fortune. Her lotus feet are difficult to attain, even for the demigods, headed by Lord Brahma. Searching Radhanath Krishna while engaged in the service of Srimati Radharani is described in the Radha Ras. Sudhanidhi Radha Nam Sudharasam Rasyayitum Jivvastu Me Vihvala Padau Tat Padakankshitasu Charatam Vrinda Tavivithishu Tat Karmaiv Karah Karotu Hridayam Tasyah Padam Dhyayatam Tad Bhavo Swatah Param Bhavato Me Tat Prananathe Rati. May my tongue be overwhelmed by relishing the nectar of Radha's name. May my feet be engaged in wandering the Vrindavan paths marked by Radha's footprints. May my hands be engaged in the loving service of Radharani, and may my mind be engaged in the meditation on the lotus feet of Radha by attaining the service festival of ecstatic love for Radha. May I attain firm attachment for the lotus feet of her beloved Shri Krishna. In Vilap Kusumanjali, the lotus feet of Shri Radha are described as the ultimate goal of life. Devi Dukha Kula Sagarodare Duyamana Mati Durgatam Janam Tvat Kripa Praval Nokaya Bhutam Prapya Swapad Ankajalayam. O Goddess, please rescue this unfortunate person drowning in the ocean of unhappiness. Please place me in the strong boat of your mercy and carry me to the shore of your lotus feet. Exclusive affinity for achieving attachment for the service of Shri Radha is described in Vilap Kusumanjali. Pada Bajayos Tav Vina Vardasyam Eva Nanyat Kadapi Samaye Kilak Deva Yache Sakhayaya Te Mama Namostu Nityam Dasyaya Te Mama Rasostu Satyam. O most beautifully resplendent goddess, I shall never ask you for anything other than the service of your lotus feet as a maid servant. Again and again I offer my obeisances from a distance to the desire of becoming your Sakhi, companion on an equal level. Again and again I desire to relish the sweet nectar of your service as a maid servant. A sincere solicitation in Radha Dasya is given in Gandharva Samprarthanashtakam of the Stvamala. Ha Devi Kaku Bhara Gadgadaya Yadaya Vacha Yache Nipatya Bhuvi Dandavat Udbhatra Bhartihi Asya Prasadam Adbhutasya Janasya Kritva Gandharvike Tab Gane Gananam Videhi. O Devi, in great distress I fall to the ground, offering you obeisances and prayers with a voice choked with emotion. O Gandharvike, please bestow your mercy on this pauper and count me among your own associates. A prayer to achieve attachment from the service of Srimati Radharani, who attracts the mind of Krishna, is given in the Radha Ras. Sudhanidhi Venu Karan Nipatitam Sakhilatam Shikhandam Brashtam Cha Pitavasanam Vrajaraj Sunoh Yasyah Kataksh Sar Shara Ghat Vimurchitasya Tam Radhikam Paricharami Kadarasena. When will I delight in the service of Srimati Radharani? Struck by the arrow of her sidelong glances, Shri Krishna faints. His flute falls from his hands, the peacock feathers on his head become loosened, and his yellow scarf slips from his neck. An introduction to the characteristics of one who has attained Rati for Radha Dasya is given in Srimad Bhagavatam 11.6.46. Tvayo payuktaha srag gandha vaso alankar charchitaha uchishta bhojino dasas tav mayam jayemahi. Simply by decorating ourselves to the garlands, fragrant oils, clothes and ornaments that you have already enjoyed, and simply by eating the remnants of your meals, we, your maid servants, will indeed conquer your illusory energy. An introduction to Aparan Leela, afternoon pastimes, is given in the Govind Leelamrit. Shri Radham Prapta Geham Nij Raman Krite Klipta Nano Paharam Susnatam Ramya Vesham Priya Mukha Kamaloka Purna Pramodan Shri Krishnam Chevo Praharane Vrajam Anuchalitam Dhenu Vendair Vaisyasi Shri Radhaloka Dittam Shidana Loka Triptam Pitri Mukha Militam Matri Vishtam Smarami. I remember Srimati Radharani, who in the afternoon returns to her home and prepares many sweets like Amrit Keli and Karpura Keli for her beloved Shri Krishna. After taking her ablution and dressing in beautiful clothes and ornaments, she is filled with ecstasy seeing the lotus face of her beloved Shri Krishna when he returns from the forest to the cow shed. I also remember Shri Krishna, who is returning home in the afternoon to Nandagram along with his cows and cowherd boys. As they arrive on the path, he feels satisfied, glancing at Srimati Radharani after meeting with Nanda and other elderly people. He is then bathed and dressed by Mother Yashoda. O mind, remember this pastime in ecstasy. Thus ends the Pancham Yam Sadhan of the Shri Bhajan Rahasya. Hari Om Tat Sat. Hare Krishna.